Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would do work on your Ford Fusion. This is a 2013 Ford Fusion. So first we're going to go over how you would pop the hood. And so to be able to pop the hood, you're going to go around here, reaching this side of the door, right down in here, and you're going to pull the lever, and then the hood will pop. And when you get that pop, then you come around front here, pull this up, and right over here on this side is the lever. You're going to push it, and it's going to make a click noise, and then just pull up on the hood. Now we're going to pull the hood up. This, you have a lift strut, you have this cable, and you're going to put it right there. So that's how you raise the hood on your Ford Fusion of a 2013. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.